Today we are viewing the top 5 rarest animals in the world. These animals are so rare and unique that you will be surprised by what they can do or how they look like. So, watch this video until the end to discover who these incredible creatures are and why they need our help. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video if you like it. Number 1. Yangtze Giant Softshell Turtle. This is a critically endangered species of turtle that may be the largest living freshwater turtle in the world. It can grow up to 1 meter in length and weigh over 100 kilograms. It has a lifespan of about 50 to 100 years, but it faces many threats from habitat loss, hunting, and pollution. It lives in the Yangtze River, Lake Tai in eastern China, and some rivers in northern Vietnam. It is extremely secretive and rarely comes up to breathe, preferring to stay submerged deep underwater. It eats fish, crabs, snails, water hyacinths, frogs, and green rice leaves. It mates from April to June, and the female lays 20 to more than 80 eggs in a nest on the riverbank at night or in the morning, and its eggs hatch after 2 months. Number 2. Vaquita. This is the smallest cetacean and the most endangered marine mammal in the world. It is only found in the upper Gulf of California, also called the Sea of Cortez in Mexico, where it lives in shallow, turbid waters less than 150 meters deep. It can reach a length of 1.5 meters and weigh 50 kilograms. It has a lifespan of about 20 years, but it is threatened by illegal fishing nets that entangle and drown them. It has a gray body with a darker back, a white ventral field, and black patches around its lips and eyes. It feeds on fish, squid, and crustaceans. It is shy and elusive and does not perform acrobatic maneuvers like other cetaceans. It mates from mid-April to May and gives birth to a single calf in early March, after a gestation period of about 10 to 11 months. The calf stays with its mother for about 2 years until it becomes independent. Number 3. Kakapo. This is a flightless parrot that is endemic to New Zealand. It is also the heaviest parrot in the world, weighing up to 4 kilograms. It has a lifespan of about 60 to 125 years, making it one of the longest living birds in the world. However, it is critically endangered due to habitat loss, predation by introduced mammals, and low reproductive rates. It lives in forested areas on offshore islands that are free of predators. It has a yellow-green plumage with black speckles, a large grey beak, short legs, large feet, short wings, and a short tail. It also has a facial disc of whiskers that helps it sense its surroundings at night. It eats plants, seeds, fruits, pollen, and tree sapwood. It is nocturnal and solitary, and only comes together for breeding. It has a unique lek breeding system where males gather in an arena and compete with each other by making loud booming sounds that can be heard for up to 1 kilometer. Females choose their mates based on the quality of their booms and visit them at their mating sites. After mating, the female lays 1 to 4 eggs in a hollow tree or under vegetation and incubates them for about 30 days. The chicks hatch blind and helpless and depend on their mother for food for about 3 months until they fledge. Number 4. Axolotl. This is an amphibian that belongs to the salamander family. However, unlike most salamanders, it retains its larval features throughout adulthood, such as external gills and a caudal fin. This condition is called neoteny or paidomorphism. It can grow up to 30 centimeters long and weigh 400 grams. It has a lifespan of about 10 to 15 years in captivity, but only about 5 or 6 years in the wild. It is native to Mexico, where it lives in Lake Xochimilco and Lake Chalco near Mexico City. However, these lakes are severely polluted and degraded, making the axolotl critically endangered in the wild. It has various colors: black, brown, dark green, yellow, pink, or albino. It feeds on aquatic organisms such as fish, mollusks, insects, worms, and even axolotls. It has an amazing ability to regenerate its limbs and some internal organs if they are injured or lost. It reproduces sexually with internal fertilization. The male deposits spermatophores on the substrate, and leads the female over them so that she can take them up her cloaca. The female then lays 100 to 1,000 eggs on plants or rocks, leaving them to develop independently. The eggs hatch after 10 to 14 days, and the larvae emerge with external gills and a caudal fin. They reach sexual maturity at about 18 months. Still, they do not undergo metamorphosis and remain in their aquatic larval form for the rest of their lives. However, some axolotls can be induced to metamorphose by exposing them to iodine or thyroid hormones, which causes them to lose their gills and fin and develop lungs and legs. Number 5. The Tapanuli orangutan. The last animal on our list is the Tapanuli orangutan, also known as the Pongo tapanuliensis. This is the newest species of great ape discovered by scientists in 2017. It has reddish-brown fur and a curly beard, distinguishing it from other orangutans. It also has a vocal and musical personality, producing complex calls that vary in pitch and duration. It lives in forests in Sumatra, Indonesia, where it feeds on fruits, leaves, bark, and insects. This orangutan is rare and endangered. Only about 800 individuals are left worldwide. The main threats to this orangutan are habitat loss due to logging, mining, agriculture, hydroelectric projects, poaching, and human-wildlife conflict. Conservation efforts are underway to save this species from extinction, such as securing their habitat corridors, reducing human pressure on their forests, and engaging local communities in their protection. This orangutan is so rare and precious that it is considered a scientific discovery of the century. This orangutan has a lifespan of about 30 to 40 years in the wild, but it is unknown how long they live in captivity. It mates throughout the year, but the peak season is from October to November. The female gives birth to a single offspring after a gestation period of about 9 months. The baby clings to its mother's chest for the first few months and then moves to her back until it is weaned at about 4 years old. The mother and the baby stay together for about 8 to 9 years until the baby becomes independent. The male orangutans do not participate in parental care. Still, they may form loose associations with females and their offspring for protection and mating opportunities. We hope you learned something new and interesting from this video. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe, like, and share this video if you enjoyed it. And let us know in the comments what other topics or animals you would like to see in our future videos. Until next time, this is Day Fact Bomb signing off with a bang.